A Lincoln woman has her life restored after a procedure she's calling miraculous. Channel 8 Eyewitness News reporter Bailey Bischoff has more in tonight's Bryan Health Second Sunday Report.
For as long as she can remember, Joyce Konopik of Seward has been crocheting and knitting.
Back and forth.
But the fact that she's doing it right now, she says, is amazing.
Yes.
Because she nearly had the lifelong hobby that her mom taught her as a child taken away.
There were different medications that I was on, and they just kept gradually increasing the dosage until it was getting to where nothing was working.
She had essential tremors. She couldn't knit, she couldn't crochet, she couldn't do anything with her hands.
Last summer, before I had the surgery, then David wanted to make a rhubarb crisp, and he brought in some rhubarb for me to chop up for him. And my left hand was shaking so bad I couldn't hold the rhubarb.
She went to doctor after doctor and none could help her.
Now with that hand?
Until she met Dr. Benjamin Gelber at Bryan Health.
This patient came to see us with essential tremor, which is often but not always a hereditary disease, and it usually affects the arms, sometimes the legs, sometimes the head and voice.
He told Joyce she was an ideal candidate for a procedure called Deep Brain Stimulation. Deep Brain Stimulation is when a device is placed in the brain that sends electric impulses to the parts of the brain that can control movement. She had it done in one side of her brain last July.
It's amazing what modern medicine can do for people now.
Here's a demonstration of how it works. This is a video of Joyce with the device turned off.
That just it don't go.
Now the device is turned on.
No problem.
It's given so many people better lives.
And then this is the actual lead that goes up in the brain.
This treatment works very well because the patients are happy, we see a good result, and it's very reliable and relatively low risk.
Joyce will have the device implanted into the other side of her brain in January.
Ready to have us do the other side?
I'm ready and willing and able.
Okay.
But even with just one side done, Joyce is back to her craft. In Lincoln, Bailey Bischoff, Channel 8 Eyewitness News.